Now the latest research and current trends in sensors. Actually, sensor is an input device and it detects a change when it receives a signal. And that signal could be a change in pressure, temperature, volume, or any other physical quantities. And the sensors are the most important thing which we use in our daily lives. And that is why they are the biggest growing market in the world. There are different types of applications of sensor which we use in our daily lives. Current research और latest technology के लिहाज से sensors की 3 तरह की advancement आई हैं. First is the smart sensors, second is the Internet of Things, and third is the robotics. So first we will study what are the smart sensors. Smart sensors are actually small in size, they save our times and they are multitasking devices. यानी कि एक वक्त में ये कई काम कर सकती हैं. They also save energy. So what is special in these smart sensors? There is a component which is known as digital motion processor, DPM, which is attached in the smart sensor. And due to this component, the smart sensors can detect changes in their environment. इसके 3 अहम component हैं. First is a sensor, second is a microprocessor, and third is a communication device. These are the basic component of a smart sensors. Smart sensors की applications में wearable technology की बनी हुई बहुत सारी मसनूआत हैं. इनमें से पहली एग्जाम्पल wearable T-Smart shirt है. This shirt is made up of fibers and contains all the system for the detection of different vital signs such as heart rate, respiratory rate, and temperature. The second example of the smart sensor is an oximeter. Oximeter एक small sensor है which could be worn on the tip of the finger, and this could determine the finger-based heart rate and blood oxygen saturation level. Now the third advancement in the sensor is the Internet of Things. Internet of Things or IoT is a phenomena under which most of the different components or different things are attached. In components या in चीज़ों में या in things में computing devices, different machines, digital machines, objects or people or animals भी शामिल हैं. All these objects are provided a unique identity to access the facility or to ability to transfer the data or get some facility. इस IoT के तहत we don't have to interact with humans. इस facility के तहत human to human interaction की ज़रूरत नहीं होती. IoT या information Internet of Things की बहुत सारी applications हैं. इनमें से चंद एक का जिक्र हम करेंगे. First is the device connection. इसके तहत मुख्तलिफ devices को connect किया जा सकता है. Data sensing, a huge number of data could be evaluated. Communication, Internet of Things के जरिए communication की जा सकती है. Data analysis, data value and human values, all these things could be happened under the Internet of Things और IoT facility. लेकिन एक बात हमें याद रखने की है कि Internet of Things is playing with our privacy. इसके बारे में बहुत से लोगों ने अपने खदशात का इजहार किया है. Robotic sensors. Robotic sensor is an other advancement in the sensor technology. We know that robots are programmable machines and they can perform complex functions once they are programmed automatically. Robot sensors are used to estimate the environment that they could take the further actions. Sensors in the robots are fixed and these sensors are based on the human sensory organs. यानी कि human sensory organs को base बनाकर robots के robotic sensor डिज़ाइन किए गए हैं. And that is why these robots can function the different human functions, human-like functions. So, in summary, we can say the sensors are the most important devices and we use them in daily life, and this is the highest growing market in the world. Advancement in the sensors includes robotic sensors, smart sensors, and Internet of Things. The Internet of Things is commonly used in our daily life, but the main thing is that it is interfering with the privacy of the people. The wearable sensing technology is one of the fastest growing technology with advanced or the latest sensors, and the revenue generated by the smart sensor is estimated to be $60 billion for the year 2020. So these sensors are very important and very valuable for the advancement of technology and science.